Thank you for purchasing TheraCal PT. This is the ultimate step in simplifying your pulpotomies for you and your patients. So how should you perform a pulpotomy with TheraCal PT? First, dispense a small amount of material onto a mixing pad to eliminate voids and place dispensing tip on syringe. Under rubber dam isolation, remove infected dentin, achieve hemostasis. Dispense material directly into the pulp chamber. Ensure good adaptation to the cavity walls and margin. Light cure the material for 10 seconds and finish by restoring the tooth according to the manufacturer's instructions. Here's a pro tip to keep in mind. TheraCal PT has a shelf life of 18 months. To optimize shelf life, ensure the product remains pouched until it is ready to use. Once the pouch is open, TheraCal PT must be used within 90 days. Remember, don't forget to consult the instructions for more information. As always, we are there for you. Call 1-800-247-3368 with any questions.